Hey guys! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. Again, this is VM Gaming and today, ang pag-uusapan natin are the top 5 MMORPG games na maganda pa rin ang RMT system. Anyway guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga panibago nating uploads regarding these MMORPG games. Let's go! Hey BM Gamers! Gusto nyo bang kumita habang nagkikreate ng content? Oops. Secret lang natin to guys ha. Sa atin lang. Kung gusto nyo kumita sa pagkikreate ng content, you can actually join the Crosswave Stream campaigns. Now, there are several projects and also campaigns that is currently running right now. And you can stack up points while you participate in this program. Now, it doesn't matter kung marami kang subscribers or konti, as long as maganda yung editing mo, and also maganda yung pagkakagawa ng video mo, automatic yan guys that you will be able to earn from these campaigns. Anyway, kung meron kayong questions dito, gumawa ako ng full tutorial kung paano kayo makakapagsimula, and hopefully guys, pumaldo tayo dito kay Crosswave. Yun lang guys, and let's go back to the video. So, welcome back sa ating YouTube video guys. So today, pag-uusapan natin yung top 5 MMORPG games that you can possibly earn from 500 to 1,000 pesos daily. And guys, yes, you heard me right. Itong mga MMORPG games na to, kapag nakakapag-grind kayo dito guys, matik yan na pwede talaga kayong kumita. It really depends as well on your grind time kasi most of these games guys, hindi siya auto. Ibig sabihin, manually nyong kinokontrol yung character nyo and you are really spending time in the game. That's what a usual MMORPG is before. So, currently, kikita kayo dito by either selling the in-game currencies or selling the in-game items. And these are my top 5 because ito yung mga highest revenue pagdating sa bentahan at kalakaran ng RMT sa mga MMORPG games. Okay? So far, yung mga rates dito is mataas pa rin and somehow medyo mas madali siyang i-farm compared doon sa ibang games na nakita natin right now. Okay? Now, may mga honorable mentions naman tayo dito na sa mga games. But anyway, I will definitely inform you on how much you can potentially earn if you actually play these games. Okay? So, huwag na tayo magpaligoy-ligoy. Let's actually start with the first one on the screen. Okay? This is Run Mobile. And as you all know guys, I've already created a couple of tutorials like this one, and this one. Okay? I created those tutorials guys for you to be able to somehow level up faster and to get to level 100 easily. The reason why I created the content, it is because somehow si Run Mobile is isa sa mga pinakamagandang marketplace for RMT. Why? A lot of players are actually playing this game and it's just not Philippine-based. Okay? May mga Taiwanese dyan, may mga Thailand players dyan coming from other countries as well playing Run Mobile. So, isa yan sa mga reasons as to why isa rin to sa nasa list. Dahil hindi lang Pinoy yung potential customer nyo dito. Okay? Pwede rin kayong magbenta or pwede kayong mag-supply sa mga big guilds. Okay? Doon sa mga sponsors ng iba't ibang guilds para at least may continuous income kayo. But anyway, if you haven't watched my video about Run Mobile, you can actually watch it here. Okay? There are a couple of videos that you can watch about Run Mobile para at least matutunan nyo kung ano yung mga potential ways on how you can make money here. But anyway, meron dito guys, isang item lang na bebenta ng 10k, 15k. Meron pang isa guys, isang ring lang worth 500 pesos na. And take note, napafarm yan kahit level 100 ka lang below. Okay? That's the good thing about this game. So it creates equal opportunity for all the players around the world. And that's one thing that we should be able to maximize as well. In terms of rate, guys, sa Stripe na kami ngayon, lumipat kami ng Stripe server. Currently, meron akong character doon na level 104. So, or 100 yata yun, Archer yung character ko doon. But anyway, so far, maganda din yung bigayan dyan. Ang rate ata dyan, if I'm not mistaken, was around 35 nung nakapasok kami. So, 35 per M And yung 1M guys, mapafarm yan in basically like an hour. Okay? So, kung makapag-farm kayo ng 8M, meron na kayong 400 pesos to 500 pesos. Bukod pa dyan guys, yung rings and also yung scrolls na pwede nyong maloot in the game na pwede nyo ring ibenta. Especially those scrolls na from level 107 up to level 147. Okay? Now, if you want to download the game, just have to click download here and it would show you an APK dahil available lang po siya sa mobile device. Okay? So, let's go to the next game which is a Tri-War M Global. Now, sabi ko guys, gagawa ako ng review dito. But anyway, I wasn't able to do a review dahil sobrang dami nating ginagawa and naging busy tayo lately with the Crosswave campaigns. But anyway, I'm gonna create one. Maybe tomorrow ko i-release yun. Okay, on how you can actually make money here. But basically, one of our subscribers and also our friend, which is si Luisito guys, pumapaldo dito. Sabi niya nga sa akin, kayang-kaya dito yung 500 pesos daily. Easy daw pare. So, ibig sabihin, isa to sa mga games na worth it din laruin. And by the way, to give you a background, si Luisito, kasama ko yan guys sa mga ibang MMORPG games din na na-feature natin sa channel and isa rin siya sa living proof na talagang may kitaan pagdating sa MMO dahil yung mga na-review kong games, kumita talaga siya doon. Okay, ganun lang kasimple. But anyway, I will create a full tutorial guide on Tri-War. Abangan nyo to guys kasi dito ay didiscuss ko kung paano nagagawa ni Luisito yung ganong klaseng earnings in a daily basis. Now, this one is actually an auto game, so hindi nyo naman siya kailangan manually controlin. Alright? That's a good thing about this game. So, hindi nakakapagod. No, kasi si Run Mobile, guys, nakakapagod to eh. Nakakapagod pumindot. Alam nyo yun, nangangalay na rin ako minsan, guys. Kumbaga, pag araw-araw ka naglalaro tapos mahabang period ka nang nakaganon, guys, sumasakit na yun dito nyo. Ewan ko, dahil siguro matanda na tayo, but anyway, I think nakakapagod siya. So, Tri-War is not like that. Okay, kasi may auto siya and pwede kayong mag-multi-client nito sa PC naman. Okay, wala siyang ano guys desktop version. So, PC talaga yung gagamitin nyo kapag nilalaro nyo tong game na to. Okay? Now, the next one is walang katapusang Flight Universe. Now, si Flight Universe guys, matagal na tong game na to. So far, ang inaabangan ko ngayon is gonna be the release of FWC server. Now, pag-release ng FWC server, pwede tayong magpa-level lang mas mabilis at pwede tayong makapag-farm. At the same time, medyo mataas ang rate kapag bagong server yung nilabas. FWC server is actually a seasonal server and usually lumalabas yan mga bandang March to April or probably May. So, inaabangan natin yung FWC server para at least pumaldo tayo dito. But anyway, even though you are playing on the recent servers right now, I think ang may pinakamalaking rate is gonna be the American server or EU server, which is Totemia or Mashpoy. So, pwede kayong lumipat doon sa Mashpoy kasi I think mas maraming buyers doon right now. So far, dito, kayang-kaya din ang 500 pesos daily. Okay? So, yan yung isa sa mga games na so far consistent pagdating sa RMT. That's the reason why it's always on the list. Okay? Now, the next game that we're going to tackle is a bit different. So, pupunta naman tayo sa Ragnarok side. Okay, kasi itong Ragnarok na to, so far, paldo pa din ang bentahan ng Zennies and also ng accounts. So, isa sa mga friend natin na si Yoshitaka, made man siya ng mga Ragnarok games. And so far, steady flow yung mga transactions kay Ragnarok M Classic, which means na so far, paldo pa din dito. Basically, Zenny yung binibenta nyo dito. But anyway, you can also sell accounts and medyo mas mataas yung value niyan kasi, of course, mahirap din magpa-level sa mga Ragnarok games. But anyway, I already created a video about this, so you might want to check our previous video. But if in any case, gawa tayo ng updated para magkaroon kayo ng idea on paano magsisimula dito sa game na to. Okay? The last one is gonna be Albion Online. Now, Albion Online has been existing for almost 5 years na yata to or 4 years kasi the first time na naglaro ako nito, it was on its second year or third year. So far, in terms of RMT, Albion is still one of the best. I think the rate here is between 10 to 15 pesos per 1M silver and you can farm those silver in a timely manner. Okay? Kung marunong kayo ng rating techniques, you might wanna do the rating techniques kapag may mga ZVZs or merong mga guild wars. You can take advantage of that and pwede kang maging scrap holder. Okay, which means na pupulot ka lang ng scraps na, kumbaga, pag namatay kasi yung character or yung mga kalaban dito or yung mga naglalaban na characters dito, madadrop pa yung full set nila. So yung full set nila guys, pwede nyong malut yun kung hindi basag, and you will be able to sell it in the marketplace as well. And pwede kayong mag-RMT dito. However, medyo may fit na si Albion compare before. Before kasi guys, ang method natin is through smelting. But anyway, dito, I think bulk na yung gagawin mong bentahan, and of course, diretso na dapat sa guild pack. So para hindi siya magmukhang RMT. But anyway, so far, itong 5 games na to, 10 to Itong 5 games na to guys, no? Ito yung mga paldong MMORPG game na pwede kayong mag-RMT. So, yun lang naman guys. Maraming salamat sa panonood, and if you do have any other suggestion, clarifications, or reactions about the video, please comment down below. And tatry natin sagutin yan as soon as possible. Yun lang guys. Maraming salamat sa panonood, and alam niyo na, this is BM, and